What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by our channel. Enjoy the tour of our Transit 250 filled with DeWalt tools, our favorite. This is the Transit 250. This is our work van, wrapped by one-day wraps. It's immaculate. I'm going to take you through our evolution of tools and how we organize for job sites. So check it out. So this is one cool feature of this one. I'll start off right here with these, because you can unlock them. See if I get it with one hand on the camera. So these doors actually fold fully flat. So it's kind of nice. Got the LED lights up here. We have two ladders right here, just on a bungee and some hooks, which works great for us. So we don't have this thing completely dialed in, but I wanted to take you for a tour real quick. So obviously I'm a fan of DeWalt tools, and we built, this is not their rack, we welded and built this. And then we have the arms right here, and those all fold flat whenever you take anything out. So the first thing why we built, or well, why we bought this, took us a while. It's got the low step right here, and the best part about it is you can actually walk in, and right now I'll see if I can switch this around and I'll show you guys what it looks like to with the head height. All right, so this is the head height to see. I couldn't get it yesterday, so my brother's helping me right now. You can see it's probably like a foot, and I'm just under 6 foot tall, so plenty of space. We can probably put up more storage up here if we wanted to, maybe levels or something, but we have them right here. So anyways, yep, perfect for right now. So over here we got a drilled hole, and this is where our blower is. It's just kind of always ready. We got all the Tough System drawers right here. And those are all, we know where everything is. Unfortunately, these do not close and open that great because of this plastic has a dip in it. So we actually drilled and we put these pins. So we got to pull them to open the drawer, and then, you know, push them in, and that keeps it when we're driving from flying out. Let's see what else. We got the table saw right here, and we got another shelf we got to build there, so we have more storage. We have our table, which folds flat, and we have, what else we got down here? So we got one laser right here. We got our track saw in here, cordless track saw. We got our laser and cordless compressor. And the fan right here. We got the power station with batteries, and those are usually the ones that need to be charged or not charged. We just kind of store them on top. We got the radio, of course, and then up top from that we have our nail gun, our router, drywall gun, big impact, multi-tool, more impacts and drills. And the coolest thing about these is that we got these little brackets made. I think a lot more people are getting them now. The only problem is, over time, with the weight, you can see we have one screw drilled down the center. You might need two screws because these actually go down over time with the weight of the tool, and it just slides off. But that's all. If you need something, grab it, go. Makes it really cool. So then we got more of that over here. So we got the cordless sander, the light, drywall, the 16 gauge nailer. And then we got the Sawzall, and we got a mini Sawzall just kind of jammed back there. Like I said, we got more work to do. Got the other DeWalt atomic saw. The skill saw, all we did was drop this in like this with the blade, so it actually just, it stays by the blade sticking down, and it actually clears underneath. So we got the, let's see, got the air compressor, which we barely even use anymore. unless we need, you know, framing or something. Got the air hose, so we just bungeed that around on hooks. we got random organizers we just put up here for now. We got to fill them up with all our different screws. We're going to build a bench here. You can see all the junk down there. So I got cords right here, and we found these little orange cord wraps work just fine for us. And then we got our, let's see, bag of junk that we bring out to every job. We figured we want to get actually 2 or 3 more of these bags, but smaller versions so they don't get filled up with a ton of tools. Okay, then this side, I had everything labeled, but some of the labels came off. So you can see I got a paint one that has all our paint supplies, sanders, which is like a whole bunch of sanders in there, and sandpaper, Sawzall, miscellaneous. And then we got this one, which houses like gloves, a few nails, water, glues. So we're actually going to take that and we're going to make a caddy underneath this section right here that holds all that organized. So it's hard because once you get going working, it's hard to get finish this stuff up. So we got the fast chargers, which is rad right there, and then we have our caulking and tape, which is filled in there. Got 2 more drawers here, so we have sockets in there. We got a router in there, a corded one, I don't know why. We got the vacuum. Some of our tools we have corded because they didn't have cordless yet, and of course when DeWalt comes up with new stuff, we buy it right away. So then over here we have a top one. This one's empty right now. We got electrical, miscellaneous screws. That one fell off. Let's see, so I got to get better labels. Blades and bits in there, plumbing, miscellaneous, plumbing parts, nails, you name it, grinders all right there. And then this section right here, we got the cordlet or the air nailers in that one. So I got to label this better. Got all our batteries that go in these totes. The few tools that actually don't hang up well because they're angled. Got this bad boy right here just recently, the new barrel grip jigsaw. Very happy with that. My other one's dead in there. I got to get rid of that. So up here I got the planer and some shims and other things. All right, so that's the gist of it. I want to show you how to actually open these up. I'm gonna get my wife to help me out in a second. So over here we got all our stability levels, which is great. I got clamps on the rack over here, which we have a ton more, but I actually work out of my house shop currently. We got rid of our big shop. So we also have miter saws and everything else, but those are mobile and we don't always carry those unless we're doing trim. We got the track saws up here with the quick clamps. So I got the littler one and then the longer one for long sheets, and these just go like just like that, and that's from Instagram. I believe Detmore did that, and it's awesome. What else we got left? We got to build these because we have more storage up here, hopefully for like plans, paper, masking, plastic, a whole bunch of stuff. So more work to do. Plenty of light back here though, even at night. And then we don't have the divider up here. We like to just walk back, and we generally keep all our stuff pretty clean, so we're not really worried about it. But yeah, this is the front section. You got storage up here, which usually we have an iPad or some notebooks in there. And then yeah, it's super comfy. We got it all. Man, you can tell we really use this thing. I always say, I'm gonna keep it clean, I'm gonna keep it clean. And we do more so in the back, but when you don't have the divider, you get all of this area dusted out. So we clean every now and again, but hey, in the end, we're just making money with it, right? It's very fast, drives like a car for sure. Gas, I think we're at like 14 or 15 miles a gallon. So not great, but we like regular gas more than diesel just because I don't have to do the additives in California. Right here, like I said, so we welded this rack up very easy, and I'll see on the back if I can get it. Yeah, so we drilled these holes right here according to specs from these arms. Very cheap and very easy to do it yourself. And then we mounted it to the ground and up top. So if I can, let me see if I set this down. I have my tripod, and I'm gonna see if I can aim it up. I'm gonna see if I can get this footage for you guys. Alright, so I'll see if I get this one. Okay, so these arms right here, you can see, I'm gonna take it, slide it out, done, folds flat. So sometimes we'll undo all these boxes to clean out the van every now and again and get organized, and we'll flatten it. Or if you need to store something, this one's always been a little bit tight with the box on top of it. So I didn't exactly space it out great. You can see, you need a tool, just off, done. Super easy. Super easy to do. So that's all that latch does, is like that. Pull it off, put it back on, and it's locked in right there. So this is how we grab our tools. So if we need anything, boom, on and off, you can carry it with you. And then to put it back, obviously, well, first I can show you, yeah, see all the arms fold flat. I think I said that earlier. And then to put them back on, let the handles out, done, locked in, nice and secure. We never have anything drop or fall. So these are rad. This is like the raddest thing ever. So you can see, or I think you can see, let's see this one. So these are some pads, and I go, oh, I need my plumbing parts, cool. Don't need them. Need this one. Done. Locks in. Easy. Great solution. That makes our life super easy. All this, I have literally a giant rolling toolbox. Still got more work to do, like I said, but I hope this gives you guys a good idea. I think the only other thing we did was we bought it and we kept the rubber mat, but we plywooded out the whole bottom just so it's flat and no ridges. I think that's about it, guys. That's our van, and I hope you like it. I'll update it, or if you guys have any questions, write and let me know. Write in the comments. If you like it, like and subscribe, of course. Any cool ideas for what you think I could do to make this better, let me know. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.